Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the obvious but critical items. Open the YouTube player and raise its volume, then check your computer or phone system volume. Make sure the app appears in the volume mixer and is not set low. Plug in wired headphones to rule out Bluetooth pairing issues. Once done, restart the browser or app. This forces settings to reload. If you use extensions, temporarily disable them now to prevent interference while we move to deeper troubleshooting. Next, clear browser cache or app cache and update to the latest version so you're not fighting a known bug. On desktop, open Device Manager to update or reinstall your audio drivers. Outdated drivers often cause low output. Then open Sound Settings, disable audio enhancements, and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, turn off exclusive mode. These changes normalize processing and prevent apps from muting or lowering YouTube volume unexpectedly. Finish by testing several videos and switching browsers or devices to isolate the issue. If volume varies only on one platform, it's platform-specific. Enable YouTube's normalization or use a reliable extension to even out loudness across videos. If problems persist, reboot your router and device, try safe mode to disable third-party drivers, and record exact conditions before contacting support. One key tip: if you see sudden drops during ads, try disabling ad blockers. Ads can trigger weird volume behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.